Okay, good morning, everybody. Today we're going to talk about another way of dealing with the data frame. Okay, so the first, as usual, we need to install some Python packages. For this cell one, we need pandas and globe and numpy as usual. And the second one is most importantly that we need to install SQL DF. We need to install this. Okay. So to install this, just simply open this, open the PowerShare from here. You can have two alternatives. First, you open up this PowerShare prompt, and then you install. You just simply type this command: conda install SQL DF. That's the one way. Another way is that you just simply go to the environments in the navigator and choose the not install or all, and then you type SQL DF. That's it. Okay. And then you click this one and then to install the packages. So once you have installed these packages, then we need the two lines of this. The first is that from Panda SQL import SQL DF. Okay, you can treat this as a formula. Okay, as a formula. And then the second line always comes with the first line. So the second line is that we want to define an object. You can think of an engine. Okay, we define PySQL DF as lambda q blah blah blah. Okay, you can treat this as one. Okay, and then we go to the cell 3. Cell 3, you just simply look up this, look up this, look up this, your data folder. So in my case, my data folder is under, I presume, okay, it's here. Okay, it's a D something project. Okay, that's here. So this will be my data. Okay, just Control V. Okay, but remember, in Python we need to have a forward slash. So to do so, you can use this edit and find and replace. And then I want to find everything with a backslash and switch to the forward slash. Okay, and then we replace all. Okay, simple. Simple. So my data folder is under the D drive. Okay, and then I use glob to get all the file names under this folder. Okay, and follow this pattern. I explained it before. Okay, so as long as the file name start with the IBM-20 something, and also the file extension is CSV, then it matches. So I get all the files and then take a peek. So these are the files through the glob. Okay. Okay. Let me start over again. So choose the restart and clear everything. And then run this one. Make sure you have installed these packages, and then run this one. Okay, and then run this one. So I get all the IBM 20 something CSV files into an array. As you can see in this bracket, it means an array. Okay, and then once we have this, oh, once we have this, I use the random integer, okay, to find to locate, to randomly select one of these files. Okay, so the trick is that I use the numpy random instant, okay, and put the length of this array. As you know, in fact, it is, you can write it this way, in this way. So start with the 0. Without this, it's just as a default, just start with a 0. If in fact this is the same, okay, and then we'll get a file number, maybe it's 0 or 2 or whatever, okay, and then I use this index, put into this array, and then I will get the file name. And then I use this file name, this selected file, and then use the pandas read the CSV, and then I get the data frame. Okay, I get the data. Let's take a look. The first 5. This means the first 5. Okay, everything's cool. Okay, and then oh, okay, I already have this, so I can have tail, for example. So that's the first 5, and then there's the last 5. Okay, so as you can see, this random number chose 2021. Since the 2021 only have 9 months the record. Okay, so the last one is that the September 21st, right here. Okay, right here. And then okay, here comes the your first breakfast. Okay, so I want to select some data. Okay, some data, but must follow a pattern. For in this case, I want to have, that's choose 1 to 12. As a matter of fact, it will never have 12 months, right? So because we have the only have 9 months, 9 months. So we can either choose the 9, or we can calculate the last month, which I have taught you how to do that. So for now, we just simply put a 9. Okay, so start with the 1 and the 9. Okay, and for this one, we will get the 01, 02, 023, 09, or whatever. Oh, okay. In fact, it's 10. So that we can have September. Okay, so the first PySQL DF is that use this one. This is what we call SQL language. Okay, let me put it this way. In fact, I'm going to use SQL language. Okay, SQL language. So let me explain to you. Okay, select means just choose. Choose everything, every column. The star means column. Choose every column from this data frame. This is the name of the data frame. The data frame is over here. Okay, choose the data frame. Where means a condition. A condition. Okay, the condition is that to subtract is a function of SQL. It's a function of SQL. Substring means that to grab a piece, a part of a part of string. So the string is that 2021-09-20, right? So substring the date, which means this one, okay? And then start from the 5th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th position, and start with the 4. It's strange. Okay, So let's do it. Why 4? It should be 2. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So start with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, correct. So start with the 5th position and get the 4. Get 4 substring. And then, as you can see, we just simply get the date, a part of the date. And then remember, because the date is a string, so there's a quote, single quote over here. You need to have this because this is also a string. It's not a value, so you need to have a single quote between this double quotes and end with the semicolon like this way. Okay, so in this statement, it is simply put whatever from 1 to 10, 1 to 9, whatever, and put a 0 to integer. We will get a dash something, okay? And then put this into this query, this conditional statement. And then we just simply select. Let's do it. Yeah, right now we get this one, okay? 9, okay? Cool, right? Okay, so use the benefit of use PySQL DF is that we use the we needed to pay some additional computing resources because this PySQL DF comes with a price. Okay, so for efficient wise, that use the pandas to directly choose your data is fastest. Okay, but however, use the SQL statement will very human readable and comprehensive. So you can use this. So this is your first select. Okay.